What's going on YouTube? It's Anthony from CompSci Studio and welcome back to your 7th Java Advanced tutorial. So today we're going to be working a little bit more on ArrayList like we did in the first tutorial. I'm just going to be teaching you guys a few little methods that you might find handy when using the ArrayList class. So first off, let's make an ArrayList again and let's add some elements to it. So to do this, we're going to make an ArrayList object. It's called ArrayList A, or let's give it something descriptive like I don't know, grades, and let's set it to equal to new array list. Now in Java, we're really supposed to, when we create an array list and we know what type of data we're going to be putting in this array list, we have to do something kind of weird. We have to use these angle brackets, or the greater than and less than sign, and then inside these angle brackets we actually put the type of data that we're going to be using. And this type, since we're using grades, is going to be an integer value. And as you can see, I didn't actually type in int. I actually type in capital integer, so integer. And over here, right here, we're going to want to put integer. Right there. That's where we put it. And basically this just says, okay, we're going to have an array list, we're going to call it grades, and basically they're going to be of type integer. And I'll go into more detail about this later on. I'm actually going to have a whole tutorial on what these angle brackets mean and what they actually do. I don't want to get into it because it'll just confuse you guys, but I'll clear that up later in a later tutorial, and you guys will understand, oh, I get why he used integer in here. And yeah. So basically, if you know what type of data you're putting into your array list, it's just good programming practice to put integer in, or if we were using a string, we would put string. And so yeah, now that we have our array list instantiated, we're going to just add a few, I guess, grades into our grade array list. So let's go grades dot add, I don't know, let's go 52, say he just passed. Didn't do very well, but whatever. He passed. Grades dot add. In programming, he got 100% because he was watching Anthony's tutorials and, well, he knew everything. And grades dot add. Say he has 4 courses. I don't know, 73. And grades dot add an 81. So as you can see, we have 4 grades that are stored in our grade array list. So this is all what we did yesterday, and we just printed it out. Today I'm going to be showing you some methods that you could use that help you with using array lists. So basically the first one is that I want to show you guys is called the clear command. Now the clear command, basically it's kind of self-explanatory actually. All you do is grades.clear, and this will clear all of the elements from the list. So this is kind of handy when at the end of your program or something, if you want to get rid of everything to free up memory, you just go grades.clear. So I'm going to just show you guys that this actually does clear, and I'm not just pulling your leg. System.out.println. I can't type. So as I showed you guys in the last tutorial, you could just type in grades and it'll print out the whole array list, and I'll print it out after the clear statement. Let's run this thing. As you can see, the first one it prints out 52, 100, 73, 81, as we would expect, and then we used, let's pull this thing down. Then we used our grades.clear command, and it cleared all of the elements out of the array list, and we printed out a blank array list. So I'm going to show you guys, one more little method that you could use with array lists. It's also pretty easy and it's very useful that you're going to be using it a lot when you use array lists. And it's called the grades.getIndex. So basically this just allows you to grab a specific index. And what I mean by index, the first index here would be the 0th index, just like in arrays. So this one here would be the 0th, the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. So if we want to print that out, Let's go grades dot get. Let's just get our computer science mark here. So that'd be the first index, and if we run this puppy, we should get 100. There we go. And if we want to get the last one, this would be the 0, 1, 2, third index. So we would go get 3. Run file, and as you can see, we get 81. So that's it for this tutorial. I don't want to make it too long for you guys because I know a lot of people don't like sitting through like 7-minute tutorials. So I'm going to shorten this up, and I think I'll have one more tutorial on ArrayList just to cover a few more methods. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please remember to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.